Hola chicas. Hope you've had a nice Christmas and unfortunately we're back to doing some online learning. So hopefully we can get back into the swing of it fairly quickly. What I plan for the next couple of weeks is we're just going to have a look here. I'm just going to show you here on página 73. We're just having a look at this chapter here on La cultura juvenil. It's just about young people, I suppose, and mi mejor amigo, my best friend, and all that. We're going to tackle this here chapter. We've nearly everything finished from chapter 2. We just have to finish doing the opinion pieces. But myself and Miss Murphy, we were talking, and we decided we're going to leave that until we come back after we're hopefully back in school soon. Um, on so we haven't forgot about that. We're going to just do the notes as well. We have to do a note in the era and ordinary paper. So we're just going to do that. We're going to tackle that note first, and then we'll come back to the opinion piece when we're back in school again. Okay. So we're just looking at chapter 3. As regards format of the class, I'll be trying to mainly uploading videos, so that you'll be able to access them whenever you want. But I will try and do maybe one live class a week, just to kind of touch base and see if anybody has any questions. Um, if you have any questions, just feel free to email me or get in touch. And about the live class, I'll let you know kind of a day in advance when I'm thinking of doing a live class, okay? But just like 20-25 minutes just to touch base and see if anybody have any questions. Okay, so we're just going to launch into the work for today, and we're just going to go into página 74, page 74, and we're just going to have a look at these two comprehensions, okay? Um, if you just want to make a note of some vocab and stuff as we're going through it, okay? I will post this up as material and I'll run through the corrections probably tomorrow on a separate video, so you can just make note of these, the new vocab, and make note of your answers, and then I'll correct them tomorrow, okay? So I'm just going to read through the first little bit here. So, mi mejor amigo se llama Luke, okay? First thing we need to note here is this le. Le here is referring to him. If it was a girl he was talking to, it would be la, okay? So, le conozco desde hace 10 años. So I've known him for or since 10 years, okay? Vive en la misma urbanización, okay? I live in the same house in the state que yo y estamos en la misma clase en el instituto. Luke is alto y gordito. Now just remember, gordo is fat, gordito, a little bit fat or chubby, okay? Tiene el pelo castaño y los ojos marrones, okay? Y lleva gafas para leer. Tenemos muchas cosas en común. Por ejemplo, nos encanta, so this nos here is we, okay? So nos encanta ver películas y nos interesa. So we love to watch films y nos interesa. So we're interested in. This interesa functions like encanta, gustar, all those, okay? So nos interesa mucho la música. Los fines de semana solemos ir al cine. So this is our solemos here. We usually, it's a really nice verb there from the verb soler. We usually go to the cinema de vez en cuando, so from time to time. Vamos a conciertos de nuestros grupos favoritos. Okay, we go to concerts of our favorite bands and groups. Okay, yo toco la batería. So the batería here is your drums. Y Luke toco la guitarra. He plays the guitar. Estamos en un grupo de música rock con otros dos compañeros. So here we got otros, so other two schoolmates, compañeros del instituto, people from their school. Pasamos mucho tiempo juntos. So juntos here, together. We spend lots of time together, pero nunca nos peleamos. We never fight. Porque somos muy parecidos. We're very similar. Nos llevamos súper bien. Además de siempre divertirnos juntos. We always have lots of fun together. Okay? Luke es buen amigo. He's a good friend. Siempre me escucha. That's a lovely little phrase there. Siempre me escucha. He always listens to me cuando hablo de mis problemas. So it's a really nice one, even for your oral, when we're doing this in oral. Yeah. Cuando hablo de mis problemas. Y sé que, here your sé que, this accent on the E. I know that I can confiar en él. I can confide in him. Es una persona de fiar y inteligente. Me ayuda mucho. So here, he helps me a lot con los deberes. Es como un hermano para mí. He's like a brother to me. Okay, so just making those little phrases, especially me escucha. He listens to me. Me ayuda. We've seen some of those last chapter. So some nice little phrases there. Okay, and even this little phrase, es como un hermano para mí. It's a nice little phrase for your best friend if you're when we're tackling this in the oral topic. Okay, good job. We're just gonna have a look now. Fix the camera. You can see that? Yeah, we're just going to look at Freya. So here we're going to look at Freya. Okay, so soy hija única y no me llevo muy bien con mis padres. Por eso here is so. Mis amigos son muy importantes en mi vida. Mi mejor amiga se llama Sarah. Tiene el pelo rubio y largo y los ojos azules. Okay, all good there. Es baja y delgada y muy deportista. Remember here, deportista is Easter for male and female, just from your Christmas exams, okay? Como yo, like me. La conozco, so we've seen the le for the chico. We've got the la is the her. I know her from de mi club de camogie desde hace. So we're hearing this, so that's desde hace, since, for 6 years. Jugamos en el mismo equipo. Entrenamos 2 veces por semana en el club y jugamos partidos los sábados. Okay, so we play 2 veces, twice a week in the club, and partidos, matches. Okay, partidos, matches los sábados. Cada sábado voy a su casa después del partido y cenamos juntas. So we've seen the juntos, the OS for the boys, and this reflects, this links into your gender. The juntas, because it's 2 girls, the OS has to change to AS, okay? We eat together, okay? Juntas. Solimos salir los sábados por la noche. We usually go out Saturday nights a una discoteca con Emma y Laura. Otras 2 jugadores de nuestro equipo. 2 other players from our team. Somos una pandilla de 4 chicas. We're like a group of 4 friends, pero con la que me llevo mejor es con Sarah. But I get on best is with Sarah. Es una persona leal. She's loyal, sincera y generosa. Cuando estoy estresada, so when I'm stressed, me hace reír. Y durante los momentos difíciles es un apoyo. So apoyar is the verb to support. She's a support. Right, dismiss that. Es un apoyo. She's a support. Y me da consejos. She gives me advice. So the verb apoyar, so the AR is AR verb support, but un apoyo, the noun, is a support. And she gives me advice. Tenemos una relación de confianza y me presta su ropa y su maquillaje a Bruno. Here's a lovely little phrase at the end. No sé qué haría. I don't know. ¿Qué haría sin Sarah in my vida? I don't know what I do without Sarah in my life. That's a really nice phrase for your oral as well, okay? It's something you can put in, you just swap out whoever your best friend is, you can swap it out there, yeah? No sé qué haría. I would do. This is our conditional tense here. Haría. What I would do sin Sarah in my vida. Okay, so there's some nice little vocab you can just make a note of as well, okay? What I want you to try for today is on página 60, page 65, page 75. I want you to try these questions in English, so you just watch them through the video and answer them. And then I want you to busca las siguientes expresiones en todo de arriba. So look for all these expressions in the text, okay? I was going to give you this little listening tomorrow, but I'm just trying to figure out if there's a website to send these out as a link. So I'm just trying to, hopefully I'll set that for tomorrow, okay? I will correct these probably in another video tomorrow, so you don't need to send them in to me. I'll just run through the answers tomorrow at the start of the video, and hopefully I'll send this out tomorrow, okay? The last thing I want you to try, today is I want you to read through here these couple questions. These are example oral questions. Okay, ¿Tienes un mejor amigo o una mejor amiga? So do you have a best friend, I suppose, male or female? ¿Cómo es? How do you describe her? And have you known her for a long time? So I want you to try and translate those first three questions and answers. Okay, so ¿Tienes un mejor amigo or mejor amiga? ¿Cómo es? Y la conoces desde hace mucho tiempo. Have you known her for a lot of time? Okay, so just translate the question. Well, I've done that. Just translate the three answers as well into English. Is that okay? Um, try those three, and we'll come back and I'll touch back base with you tomorrow. Okay. Um, muchas gracias, chicas. And if you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact. Okay. Hasta pronto.